All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. And I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways you might have locked objects or strange things going on. So let's jump in with just a clipping mask. So this is a weird one. It's right here. So you see that I have the image here. I'm clicking, but if I click off of it, you can see that there's more in there, right? Like the image is in there. So it's in a mask. This box here um, is where it's cutting the image off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Object, and we're going to pull down the clipping mask, and we're going to hit Release. See that? Now that's where your image is. Uh, it was in. So this is the box it was in, and this is the image. So if you select them, the box has to be on top, which probably is. So whatever object is on top, it could be a shape too. You select these two, and you go to Clipping Mask, and you hit Make, and then it goes in there. And then you do the same thing, Clipping Mask, and Release. So that's numero uno. And now let's go down here. This guy, I can't click on it. Why though? So that is just a locked object. Object, unlock all. So that could be one of the reasons if you're having this issue or you're learning how to lock them. So if you want to lock it, just go selection. Boom. And that's it. So I'm going to get rid of that one. Let's go over a locked layer. So this guy also can't click on him. So we're going to go to our layers palette, window, layers, right here. I already have it open. And he is on this one. So it's just simple. You click this lock, and now I can click on him. See? So locked. Nope, can't. So the layer itself is locked, and you can see sometimes you'll see these different colors. So he's on the red layer. So when you select him, it's red. This is a green layer, but it's also locked. So I'm going to show you what the green layer has going on. Also locked, but see this, it doesn't have a little eye. This means you can see the layer. So if I toggle this one on and off, you can't see them. But it has a lock as well, so you can unlock it, and now you can click on it, but it's still weird. It's faded out compared to that other image. So you click on it, and this is a template layer. This is meant to be locked and faded. It says you can dim it to 50%. See that? So that's where you're supposed to draw over it, right? If it's like die cutting lines or you're learning to trace or whatever. So now we're back to normal. So those are a few ways, and this little bounding box too. This guy can disappear, which is pretty bad. You can go to View and then bounding box, hide it. Right now, you don't have you can't scale it anymore. You go to View and bounding box, show, and then now you can grab it and go. So, anyways, hopefully that helped. Yeah, these are some pain points that you just got to know where to click. So, if it did help, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.